We have launched an environmental education curriculum for the school children in Aruba. It focuses on coral reefs, the importance of water and energy conservation, and also endangered species. That aspect we developed in partnership with Aruba. Fabien is undertaking Mission 31, where he will be living underwater in the Aquarius habitat for 31 days and hopefully breaking his grandfather's world record. So today we spent time working with the students to learn more about the oceans and about this very exciting initiative. We have the program, we have a broader curriculum available in all of our hotels around the world. We partner with local schools, but in fact this education, environmental education curriculum we developed specifically for the school children in Aruba. It was part of the celebration of us opening our new resort, and we collaborated with the Green School team. And we're just very proud of the curriculum. Obviously, Aruba is such a beautiful island with precious resources and just the beauty of nature around it. And we wanted to contribute to educating the young children on the important role that they play in protecting the ecosystem. Well, the education curriculum will be made available open source. So anybody can actually use the materials to teach to children. We'll be engaged with working with Green Schools to get the program out to youth. So the intention is today is just the launch, and that it will continue because we really do feel that it's so critical for young students to understand the role that they play in protecting the local environment. It started initially, we were very aware of Prime Minister Eman's Green Aruba vision for the island, and that's how the creation of the curriculum came about. We worked with Dr. Murphy, who works for Jean Michel Cousteau's organization, to help create the curriculum. He's a world-renowned marine biologist, but we were also so excited to see the work that Green School Initiative is doing, and it made sense to collaborate. That rather than try to do it on our own. So it's been a wonderful experience collaborating with the team there. They're incredibly passionate also about ensuring that young students are made aware of the role that they play in impacting the environment, and also making healthy choices around eating, etc. There's just so much that goes into it, and we're honoured to be able to play a role with that.